Okay, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over your homework from last night, and that way we can see whether or not you were able to understand what you were doing. I did the odd numbers with you, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with this. Let me go ahead and write our acronym. So we have our grouping symbols, we have our exponents, we have multiplication or division, we have subtraction or addition. So I'm going to start off with this, which is 3 times 5, and it's 15. Again, I'm going to bring down everything that I didn't use. And this is number 4, so it's not part of the problem. Then I have 2 times 15, which is 30. Notice how I just really do squiggly lines. And 30 minus 9 is 21. And that should be your answer for number 4. Alright, so for number 2, I know we're going out of order. We have 16. And again, that's part of the number. 25 plus 16 is 41. Minus 14. And I'm going to come over here and do it so I don't make a mistake. So my answer should be 27. Again, if you notice that I make a mistake or something as we get through it, please make sure you let me know. Alright, number 6. Now this is one of the ones that had decimals, but again, we're not going to worry about it. 3.5 plus 1.5 is 5.0, or you can just leave it as 5. Make it easy on yourself so the decimal doesn't throw you off. And then 2 times 5 is 10. And then 80 divided by 10 is 8, plus 100, for a total of 108. Alright, so there goes our classwork. The answer key was included. So then you had your homework. And again, go ahead and view the answer key. So that way you can see if you have any mistakes. If you get something that's different than theirs, remember, sometimes we have that situation. Alright, now I'm going to switch to today's lesson, which is going to be day 80. But I don't want you to do all of day 80. I'm going to start off with this. I don't know if I'm starting off with this one. Let me see. With this one. Right here. And it says, solve the expression using the knowledge of order of operations. And you may use parentheses, brackets, and braces if you want. Now, you don't have to. So let's go ahead and look at how we would solve this. So if I did this just using PEMDAS, I do not have parentheses, I do not have exponents, but I do have multiplication and division, but I have to go in order from left to right. So that means that 9 times 4 is going to come first. We'll bring that down as 36 plus 2 minus 4 times 7 divided by 4. Alright, the next thing that I have is 4 times 7, which is going to be 28. Then I have 28 divided by 4, which is 7. So again, I'm doing all of my multiplication and division first. And then 36 plus 2, which is 38. They get a total of 31. Alright, now what I want you to do is I want you to play around with this same expression and see how you could do this and make it come up with the answer of 40. What could you do to it to give you an answer of 40? Now, one of the things that you might try is you might try to do something like this. Then maybe you want to do this. Let's see what that does. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Then I have to do this, which is 2. And I do this, which is 18. 18 times 7. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to come over here and do it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know what 126 divided by 4 is. So that would give me 31.5. So obviously that would not be the way to solve it. So then I'm going to try something else. So think about some other ways that you could put your parentheses and your brackets and your braces in your expression and show me how you can come up with 40. One of the things that you can do is you can take a picture of your work and post it that way. You could do it on the piece of paper. You could create a Google Doc and upload it directly to Google Classroom. As you do day 80 today, I do not want you to do the classwork that says solve my expression. All I want you to do is the homework, okay? So only do the homework. I will put that on Member Hub as well, okay? Again, if you have any questions regarding order of operations, please let me know, and hopefully we will be back at school tomorrow. Make sure when you go into Google Classroom that you are marking it complete, just so I can get an idea of how many people are actually watching the videos. Again, let me know if you have any questions.